In 1982, he put to an end the criminal career of Nicanor Alicante, of hundreds of children.
Handa na ba lahat? Kailangan maisip na ito.
Edgar! Sa kabila!
Major General Alfredo Lim is indeed one of the finest examples of what an officer and a gentleman should be. His dedication to career and service has made Manila's streets safer from the criminals, even as he continued to restore and reinforce confidence in the policemen in uniform. Major General Alfredo Lim, we salute you.
Subscribe for more.